Hey guys, it is Chef Kibby, and right now I have a very unique opportunity to speak to you because there's nobody here. This is not something that happens very often in this house, especially in this room being kind of the heart of the entire house. And so I'm trying to take advantage of this rare opportunity to actually sit in this room and reflect on the changes that have happened in our home and in my own mindset with regards to what this room means to me and my family, and what your home kitchen can mean to you and yours in light of all of the changes that have come about in 2020. That's what I want to share with you today on this episode of Cookin' with Kibby.
Cookin' with Kibby. We'll make some yummy food. Cookin' with Kibby, yeah. Something that rhymes with food. So put on an apron and grab you a knife. You're gonna have the time of your life. Cooking and cutting and chopping and mixing and stirring and cooking and cutting and stuff. Cooking with Kibby. 'Cause Kibby's your cooking dude.
Well, welcome once again to Cookin' with Kibby. My name is Chef Kibby, and if you're new here, Cookin' with Kibby is here to help you and your family get back in the kitchen, cooking and eating together, because I believe life is better when we're cooking together. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button somewhere down here below the video and ring the bell for notifications so that the YouTube algorithm can let you know the next time I'm publishing some content. It's pretty rare and unusual that I kind of have the place to myself, and I thought an appropriate time to reflect upon the changes that have happened in my family and in my mindset with regards to the use of this kitchen. Cooking has always been a part of my family's life. We enjoy spending time in the kitchen, but it really wasn't until this year that I truly understood and appreciated the worth that it is to me and to my family. And not just from a money-saving standpoint, not even in a health benefit standpoint. One thing that we've all experienced in 2020 is an upheaval, a disruption in our normal everyday patterns, and my family is no exception. Up until the spring of 2020, I had a catering business, or I should say we had a catering business. And as a result of all the lockdowns, the catering business just fell out and we couldn't sustain it any longer. And so I was spending more time here at home, brainstorming what to do next and just taking advantage of the opportunity to be here in this room cooking and eating with my kiddos. And it was in that process of spending more intentional time with my kids here in the kitchen that I truly realized what is special about what I have to offer you, my community. The thing that I've really honed in on with regards to my particular perspective on cooking has nothing to do with any particular cooking technique or concept or piece of equipment or even a type of cuisine. It's none of that. It's a perspective that in all of the upheaval that we have all experienced in 2020, all the pattern disruption and all of the anxiety and the loneliness that all of us have felt, we all hunger and thirst for connection. To be connected to the people that are closest to us, our deepest and most intimate relationships, typically our family. And as much as I need to feel connection to other people, I know that my kiddos need it as much, if not more. And what I've come to realize during this time is that I, as a dad, have a unique skill and a unique opportunity to connect with my young people through the shared act of cooking and eating with them. Cooking to me is more than just about the food. It's about the process of preparing that food, not just for my family, but with them. And what I've come to realize is that it speaks to them in a way that words alone just can't. It tells them that I love them, that I value my time with them, that I trust them to be in the kitchen with me, that I have faith in them, and that I have faith in their ability to do the things that I've asked them to do. And even more than that, that I value spending time with them, that I'd rather be with them than be apart from them. And I've already begun to see the positive results that has had in my relationship with my kiddos. As each passing day goes, I long more and more for you to have those same experiences with your kids. And I fully believe that you can have them. Cookin with Kibby is not just another cooking platform. It's not just another place for you to learn about cooking. It's a place for you to learn about what cooking can do for you. Yes, it can save you time. Yes, it can save you money. Yes, it can boost your health. It can even boost your own self-confidence. But more than that, it can be a tool that you can use to grow deeper, more meaningful relationships with your sons and your daughters. I want that for you. And if you want that for your family, then you've come to the right place. I encourage you to reach out to me through social media or through cookinwithkibby.com and let me know what your questions are with regards to this topic and how you can better utilize the shared act of cooking and eating with your kiddos to speak to them your love and your appreciation and your value for them. Until next time, I'll see you in the kitchen.